Hi friends, today I want to share with you the new product that I just received today and that I buy it for use in a party. Let me show you. This product is a mirror, a decorative mirror that have a hair form and neon lights color pink. So I think that is beautiful. That let me show you. Look at this. This is my mirror. Came with this chain to put it in the wall. So you can put it so easy. It's like a USB charger. So you can charge with any charger that I'm sure that you have in your home. So look at this. Came with this in the back part to put the chain. And this plastic protection for your mirror. So I'm removing the plastic protection now. And as you can see, we are here. The mirror is perfect and look so what good quality. So let's go put the chains to put it in the wall. It's this one. Great. So we're gonna install our mirror here in this wall. Just here. So you can use this button to turn it on, but I'm gonna put it in the charge first. So as you can see, my mirror is already. Let me show you more close. This is my mirror, and I think that is beautiful and it's perfect for any area of your home, for the room, for the living room, in any area to decorate. It's perfect, looks beautiful, and the light is so shiny, and the color is perfect. And you can also use your mirror in your private events for a selfie spot or something like that. So I highly recommend this high quality mirror. See you.